Welcome to 3ds Max Learn Basics Foundation course. Here I'll be teaching you the interface basics. Before that, you've got to learn a few things to keep in mind that are very helpful when you are doing your work. Okay, so when you open 3ds Max, you see this pop-up coming in saying welcome to 3ds Max. This is basically like every other software. You have open existing files, open your recent files are here. You can open a new project, right? So let's just start with opening a new project. Okay, these are called viewports. I'll come to this in a bit, but before you start, you have to keep three things in mind. So first thing is, you have to check your middle mouse button, whether it's working or not, because middle mouse button is really important while working in 3D. So click on one of these. This is a perspective view. Over here, click on the middle mouse button and turn towards sideways. So this way you see a black hand coming in and you can move up and down. Second thing is you've got to check whether it's zooming or not. So scroll with your middle mouse button. Alright, so the second step that we have here is you every time create a project, you have to create it in a different folder. Do not create it randomly, because every time you create it randomly, it overwrites the previously done project. We go to this logo over here on the top left, click bottom, and then you go on to manage. In manage, you have set project folder. Click on that. So let's just come to the desktop here for a minute. I'll create a new folder. So any new project that I make will be done in this folder. Now I'll show you the folder characteristics. When you click, now next you have to click on Control S to save your particular screen. So when you do that, look at the history over here. History, or you can look at the path over here. It is under C users, whatever my PC name is. You have desktop project 1. That is a name we kept just now. So you can check the folder over here. I'll just expand it for you. So these are the default folders that are already created when you make that particular folder. So when you save this particular project, it will go into scenes as a .max file. As you can see here, it's a .max file. Now 3ds Max also has a automatic backup system. In that, what happens is it automatically keeps 3 latest of your saves in the autoback folder. Alright, so let's go into save scenes. I'll write this as project 1 and I save it. Now we won't be doing much in this. So the third thing that you have to do is go to customize and go to unit setup. Now this is very important, because once you start making objects, you might create a house that is bigger than a tree if your proportions are not set right. Here you have 4 options: metric, US standard, custom and generic units. I have kept it at generic. You can keep it at metrics. In metrics you have meters, centimeters, kilometers and millimeters. Alright, so depending on the kind of project that you're doing, you can set this right. US standard, let's say you're making a house. It's mostly done in feet or inches or meters, right? So you can, for meters you can go here. If you have it in feet, then you can come here. Alright, okay, so set this up. Okay, so now you're done. Now this was these were the 3 points that you really have to take care of before starting any new project. Okay, now we'll move on to the interface of these viewports that I just mentioned in the next lecture. So see you soon.